Political organization of the Zulu state. The Zulu king was the absolute ruler. He was the supreme administrator of the state. Although he had a council of people who advised him, it was him who made the ultimate decisions. Right? This means that almost all of the state duties fall upon the shoulders of the king. And what were these duties? These were allocating land, distributing cattle. He was also the chief commander of the army. He was the chief judge who had the power of life and death over the people. He initiated all the traditional ceremonies like the Inwala and the Inkatha ceremonies. So it was like everything was done by the king himself. The chiefs were also there, and these were appointed by the king. So they were very loyal to the king, and they ruled according to the king's design. The state was divided into regimental towns. Remember, the Zulu state was a very militarized state. So it was divided into regimental towns. And these towns were encircled, were formed in a circle. Houses were built in a circle in the usual Nguni fashion. And at the center of each circle, there was a cattle pen or a cattle kraal, which indicated that the cattle belonged to the regiment. A regiment was based on each of those towns. So each town had its own regiment, which was trained there for purposes of defense. Right. Outlying tributary states or clans paid tribute to the king as a sign of respect. So this managed to boost the king's political control over those people. Right? So Chaka, for example, earned a lot of respect from those that surrounded him because they knew once they did not show their allegiance to Chaka, the consequences were very disastrous for them. Right? Then from the regimental towns, there were homesteads where the heads of those homesteads were responsible for the control of their own homesteads. But everything depended on the king because he was their most important person. The king also controlled the work of everyone. And then he did this to make sure that there was strict discipline in the public order in the Zulu state. Chaka did not tolerate indiscipline. That is why he made sure that his political system was highly militarized. This was a way of ensuring strict discipline. Thank you.